Indian infrastructural growth and rapid urbanization has pushed up the demand for cement. Ambuja Cements Limited, one of the leading cement manufacturing companies, has rapidly increased capacity to meet this surge. The company's unit at Suli, Himachal Pradesh, had a 7,000 tons per day clinker unit, which partially fed the grinding unit at Ropar. To meet accelerated demand, Ambuja Cements planned to set up a new 9,000 tons per day clinkering unit at Rowdi and a new grinding plant at Darlaghat. A belt conveyor carrying 800 tons per hour transported 10,000 tons daily requirement of limestone from Kashlog mine to Suli. This was later upgraded to 1,200 tons per hour by Macmet to meet additional requirement of limestone. Ambuja Cement needed 15,000 tons of limestone per day from the new mine at Mangu to the new clinkering unit at Rowdi. Macmet designed a conveyor system to carry 1,650 tons of limestone per hour. The new belt conveyor had to negotiate difficult terrain because it connected two hills with a deep valley in between. The contract was awarded to Macmet against stiff competition. This unique Overland belt conveyor, OLBC-3, initially travels down 950 meters from one hill into the valley and then climbs up 1,750 meters. The OLBC-3 conveys crushed limestone over the valley and through two new tunnels, one 170 meters and the other 325 meters long, to a downstream conveyor. The terrain does not allow cranes or movement of other handling equipment. Girders were erected on 65-meter-high steel trestles in thickly wooded forests. This made material movement and erection very challenging. The 2,700-meter conveyor system, with an effective lift of 270 meters, was designed to run at 4 meters per second, using 5 450-kilowatt motors, all driven through variable voltage, variable frequency system. The belt used was high-strength steel cord belt of ST4000. That's where Macmet's design and project management expertise were effectively utilized. Execution of the project tested the collective skills of the Macmet team. Fabrication of steel at remote locations, transporting the fabricated structures for erection under very difficult conditions, and erecting them in record time.
The project was very challenging. There was no proper approach road. We had to use ropeways for carrying the equipment at erection site. In spite of all these problems, successfully and safely, we have done it!
The result, a unique conveyor system that met exacting quality and performance standards of Ambuja Cements Limited. The OLBC-3 was commissioned successfully and is running to full capacity. Most importantly, the client, Ambuja Cements Limited, achieved its growth with performance goals. Macmet India Limited, engineering bulk material handling solutions.